to circulate the pump in the whole in this whole pipeline, we need a pump, and this pump also throw water to this air cooled chiller. So for that, first of all, we can place here pump. So for that, you can select this mechanical equipment and then select this load family. So here from this pump folder, here you see this is present in water side component pump folder. So from here you can select this centrifugal pump. So after selecting this centrifugal pump, you can place this pump. Here we place two pump in series. So here you see we in parallel we place these two pump parallel to each other. So now here you see the flow rate, total flow rate is 160 GPM. So the water, each pump has capacity to flow 80 GPM. So now we can go to edit family option. We can select this edit family option, and here from here we can select the flow rate of the pump. So first of all, we can select the dia. So if we have dia of 2.5 inch or 3 inch pipe, then and we flow, the flow rate is 80 GPM, then it's okay. For 2.5, and if we have 80 GPM, then we have fluid velocity 5.36 and head loss is this. And if we have 3 inch pipe and the GPM are 80, then here you see we have head loss and fluid velocity is minimum. So we select this 3 inches. So first of all, we can set unit from here, manage. So you can select unit, project unit. So here you see length in inches, and similarly we can piping. Here you see this is pipe dimensions or flow rate in GPM. Here you see GPM. So after that, you can just select from here, and here you see select this none option. So now we can select the flow rate 1.5 radius, so as 1.5 inch radius, and which is equal to 2 in diameter, and similarly we have 80 GPM flow rate. Similarly we can select this outlet. So again set the diameter 1.5 inch, and similarly you can select the 80 GPM flow rate. So then you select this load into the project. So select this override the existing version. So after that, here you see the inlet and outlet of pipe having 3 inch diameter. So after that, we can create head here. So you just select pipe from the system, and this is our basically header component. So for supply for inlet of this pump, so first of all you can place cap on open end. So select this edit option and then place cap on open end. Similarly set the diameter of the pipe. So here you see the diameter of pipe we select is 4 inch dia, and then we can size this. We can connect this pipe with this header. This is basically header component of the, and we connect with this. After that we create section for each pump. Now we can connect these. We have these pump inlet with this header. So just you can draw pipe, so similarly with this pump again create section or move section, and then just draw pipe, and then you can connect with this header. In 3D view you see these are pumps are connected with this header. Similarly in next step, again the size of header is 4 inch. So give some height to this header. From here middle elevation you can give the height. So the height of header is, let's suppose we have the height of header is 8 feet. So just create this draw pipe again, if you want to connect this pipe with this one, then here you can add the middle elevation of 8 inch and just draw pipe. Similarly again we create header for we connect this pipe with this header, again draw pipe and give them elevation of 8 feet from the ground. Connect with this one. So in next step we can connect this header with the inlet of here we can place chiller, this chiller